Welcome to VLearn. This is session 12 of software engineering. So today we are going to discuss about the object oriented design. Under this category we are going to cover the topics which are as follows. First of all, we will discuss about the identification and specification problem domain static objects, then working out the application logic objects. After that, identification of necessary utility objects, and then methodology of identification of objects, and at last we are going to discuss about the case study. So first of all, let us discuss about the identification and specification problem domain static objects. Yeah, it basically describes static structure at a particular time. हमने एक क्लास का डिस्कस किया था. क्लास क्या होती है? क्लास बेसिकली यूज़ करते हैं हम स्टैटिक स्ट्रक्चर को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए. दैट इज़ इट शोज द स्टैटिक स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ए सिस्टम. सेम थिंग applies here, but the difference is that it shows the static structure at a particular point of time. That means यहाँ पर जो हमारा मेन जो डिफरेंस है दैट इज़ द डिफरेंस ऑफ टाइम. यहाँ पर जो स्टैटिक स्ट्रक्चर शो करते हैं हम किसी भी पर्टिकुलर सिस्टम का, पर्टिकुलर एप्लीकेशन और अ सॉफ्टवेयर, we show that at a particular point of time, at a particular instance of time. So it describes particular situation, whereas class diagram describes all possible situations. Similarly, object diagram क्या होता है? ऑब्जेक्ट डायग्राम इज अ कलेक्शन ऑफ डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स. इट शोज द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स and the relationship between these. So it represents particular entities which are instances of class. That means instances means objects which are components of a class, which are objects of a class. These are represented by the object diagram. It contains links which represents the particular relationship between objects which are instances of association. Here we use the concept of association means basically when we talk about association, it is a relation which shows the relationship. It is a link which shows the relationship between two or more objects or classes. Now the methodology of identification of objects, that means how to identify the objects. So every object represents two characteristic features by which आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट कैन बी डन. हम ऑब्जेक्ट्स को कैसे आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं? हमारे पास उसके दो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हैं, दो फीचर्स हैं. हर एक ऑब्जेक्ट के दो फीचर्स होते हैं थ्रू विच वी कैन ईजिली आइडेंटिफाई वेदर इट इज़ अ ऑब्जेक्ट और नॉट. सो द फर्स्ट वन इज़ एवरी ऑब्जेक्ट पजेस सम सॉर्ट ऑफ डेटा और फीचर्स, प्रॉपर्टीज़ और कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. दैट मीन्स जितने भी ऑब्जेक्ट्स होंगे किसी भी क्लास के, दे विल कंटेन सम प्रोसेसेस, फीचर्स, प्रॉपर्टीज़ और कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. उनका कुछ बिहेवियर होगा, कुछ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होंगी, कुछ वो ऑपरेशंस परफॉर्म करेंगे, एंड दे विल कंटेन सम डेटा. नाउ द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज़ एवरी ऑब्जेक्ट स्पेसिफाई सम फंक्शंस ऑल्सो. दैट मीन्स कोई भी हमारा जो ऑब्जेक्ट होगा, इट इज़ गोइंग टू परफॉर्म अ पर्टिकुलर ऑपरेशन, इट इज़ गोइंग टू परफॉर्म सम ऑपरेशन. So on the basis of data and function of an object, identification of objects can be done. Basically with the help of these two structures, that is data as well as functions, we can easily identify a particular object. Now here is a normal representation of a object diagram. Here we have represented two objects. The first one is Hari and the other one is Sita. Now under this category you can see here Hari is a object of a class called person. Person is a class here, and the same thing applies on the other object as well. Person is a class, Sita is an object here, and 24 is the attribute of Sita, that is its data. Now these are the representations of object diagrams, class diagram and object diagram. Here you can see class diagram contains a class called author and the another class called computer. So these two are connected with the help of a link, uses link. So class diagram and object diagram represents the relationship between different objects or classes. Same thing is applied here. Object diagram में क्या है? हमने एक object लिया John which belongs to a class called author. Here it contains the attributes name and age. Name is John and age is 32. Similarly, it is linked to another two objects which are work PC, which belongs to a class called computer, and another is home PC which also belongs to a class called computer. ये दोनों ही objects computer class के हैं and they both have the attributes like name and age. Now here is the case study. Basically, case study shows the logic, that is how to work out the application, how to carry out a application. So working out the application logic objects, it basically deals with working out the application logic objects. Now the same thing is आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ नेसेसरी यूटिलिटी ऑब्जेक्ट्स. दैट मीन्स जो हमारे पास इंपॉर्टेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं उनको हम इसमें आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं. केस स्टडी क्या है, एक फॉर्मल स्टडी होती है किसी भी प्रॉब्लम की, एंड देन यू कैन ईजिली डिसाइड how to solve the problems, what are the problems, and how to deal with them. Now at the end of this session, here is an exercise for you. You can try out these questions for yourself. The first one is differentiate between class and object, and the second question is name the parameters used for the identification of objects. So you have to give the parameters with the help of which you can easily identify the objects. So this is the end of today's session. Thank you.